Hello friends, welcome to Navi Food Zone. My today's recipe is focaccia bread. Focaccia is a flat oven-baked Italian bread that may be served as an appetizer, table bread or a snack. So, let's get started. Start with, we have to first activate the yeast. Take a cup of warm water. To it add 2 teaspoons of yeast, active dry yeast I am taking, and add 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix it properly and cover it and keep it for 20 minutes to ferment. If after 20 minutes our mixture becomes frothy from top, then it means the yeast is good, else discard the yeast. Now as we see, our yeast is fermented and it's frothy from top. So pour the yeast mixture in a bowl and add salt, olive oil and oregano to it and slowly mix all-purpose flour to it. One thing you should be careful of is always take warm water to activate the yeast. Water should neither be too cold or too hot, else the yeast will die. Now as you see, our dough is mixed, and if you feel the dough is little bit tight, then add a little water to it. The dough should be soft. We need to knead the dough for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that the gluten is activated and our bread becomes soft. So let's transfer the dough to a flat surface so that kneading can be done properly. Dust the surface with all-purpose flour and knead the dough on it. The dough is a little bit sticky right now, so knead it for 15-20 minutes with the lower part of your palms. Stretch it and knead it. Apply pressure to the dough. It will become soft and manageable slowly. It will not be sticky then. It is becoming less sticky. Now, as you see, the dough is ready. Now take a baking dish and grease it with oil properly using a brush or your hands. Now put the dough in it and spread it with your fingers evenly. Flatten it properly with using your fingers. Grease the top of the dough with a little oil with the help of a brush and cover it with a wet thin cloth and keep it for at least 2 to 3 hours for proving. You should prove the dough until it becomes twice in size. After 2 hours, we see our dough is proved and it has doubled in size. Now as you see in the video, prick the dough with your fingers all over and top it with your favorite veggies. I am here topping it with tomatoes, capsicum, jalapenos, sweet corn and onions and sprinkling some oregano over it. You can also sprinkle chili flakes over it. Now our dough is ready to be baked. I have already preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Now I am putting it in the oven to bake. I have set the oven at 180 degree centigrade and we should bake it for at least 25 to 30 minutes or until the top gets browned. Our bread is ready. It is perfectly browned from the top and You can see the texture, it's light and fluffy, spongy too.